first time ever welding, ever. Got the Harbor Freight titanium flux core welder. It's the Flux 125. Harbor Freight helmet. It's set on a 12, super low delay, super high sensitivity. Got my ground clamp on. Got a tiny little piece of metal clamped right here. This is gonna be my very first weld. Using a 0.35 for the wire. Got some ventilation. Watched a bunch of YouTube videos. Read the manual. Hope I don't die. That was cool. Set my canvas up on fire. That's not good. Put down this canvas to protect the garage floor from all the slag spray. But
but now, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough, what keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough, yeah, I think that we've all had enough, dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong, got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Now, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough, what keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah.